everyone, my name is Sherry and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to show how I made these two vintage hats. One is this beret and other one is the vintage flat cap or a newsboy hat. So I hope you enjoy the video and that's it. Thank you in advance for watching my video. So I'm going to clone this flat cap or newsboy hat over here, and I have draped some fabric on it and then drafted the pieces. If you guys want the measurements of the drafted pieces, then please make sure to comment down below so that I'll upload a document in the description box below where all the measurements will be there. I used an old sweatshirt to cut my main fabric pieces. I also cut some foam fabric piece, and for lining I used black satin. Then I stitched the center pieces together and attached the side pieces later on. I repeated the same procedure for the black satin fabric, which will be my lining, and I attached the foam pieces along the black satin fabric. Then I placed the main fabric hat on the lining fabric hat, wrong sides facing each other, and sewed on the edge of the entire hat. I didn't get this part on camera, but I attached the cap brim over here, and yeah, I'm just going to stitch it and then flip it inside out. So there was wide elastic stitched along the inside edge of this hat, and I'm going to replicate that. I am also going to stretch the hat a little bit while stitching the elastic because my hat was a little bit loose. Now is the time to attach the facing. So after attaching this facing, my hat lost its elasticity because the elastic was stretched while stitching this facing. So it was my fault, but yeah, I just wanted to say that make sure that you attach the facing correctly. Before attaching the facing, you should first finish the edges of this facing with some bias tape. To make this beret, you will require 4 circles of diameter of 12.5 inches, out of which 2 circles will have donut shape, which means the inner circle will be of diameter of around 6 to 6.5 inches. You can increase or reduce the measurements according to your size. Now place the donut on the circle and stitch along the edge of the entire circle. Repeat this procedure for the second piece as well. I have placed a foam sheet on one circle, but it is optional. Now take your main fabric piece and flip it inside out. Flatten all the edges and then take the lining piece and place it inside the main piece, and make sure that you are placing them facing right sides together. Now stitch along the edges so that the main fabric and the lining fabric will be connected. Now take a bias strip. I have cut mine of about 3 inches, and I'm going to fold it in half and then attach it to the edge of the hat, flip it inside and then hand stitch it. To finish the edge of the hat, you can either hand stitch it or use the machine to give it a top stitch. That's it guys, I hope you liked the video, and if you give it a try then please share the pictures with me. My Instagram handle will be down in the description box below. Also, I know I haven't been consistent and I haven't posted the videos in several months, and I promise that I'll be consistent this time and I will post a lot of videos. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video, share it as much as you can, and take care of yourself. Until next time, bye. Boom boom shakalaka, boom boom shakalaka.